Welcome back, everyone. Scott here, and we are continuing our next update in what is now the 6-month mark of our 25 different trim product restorers test. If you've been following along, you know that we've had some crazy weather here in East Texas, and as usual, I'll leave the last 30 days as well as the lifetime weather that both of these panels have been exposed to up on your screen. Most of you know the drill by now, but for those just joining us, the wash process goes something like this. First, we will foam the panel down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, let it dwell, rinse it off, foam it again, and of course, wash it before rinsing things off. We will then dry it with the Metrovac Master Blaster 8-horse dryer using heated filtered air, as you're seeing right now. If you're new to the channel and aren't familiar with these tests, I've been doing these tests for the last 6 years now. This panel sits outside of our shop here in East Texas 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exposed to the elements, and of course we will wash it and inspect it on a monthly basis until the last one fails. I have other tests running with different products, including ceramic trim restoration products, so please go check those out. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that bell icon so you get notifications when a new update goes live. I do have a Google Docs file in the video description if you want to learn more about each product. I'd like to remind you that I'm completely unsponsored, unbiased, and that 100% of these products were purchased out of my own pocket unless otherwise stated. Also, any of the products you see in this test can be purchased using the Amazon Associates links in the description below. It does help out the channel if you use those links, so please do that. With that out of the way, let's check out these panels. As a reminder, the black panel on the bottom has one layer of each product, and the top panel, which is the gray panel, has 2 layers of each product. And it does look like the results that we're getting between the 2 panels, even though there's 1 layer or 2 layers, is fairly consistent with the exception of a few products, mainly the ones that have a black trim dye or something like that, charcoal. The big surprise on the bottom here, or not really big surprise, but Wipe New, Cerakote, that black stuff, those are the 3 that are doing very well, and there's a couple others here. TLC Cera Trim, I think we called that failed around the 4-month mark, I'm sorry. Shine Supply Trim Paint, that is also a dye. Looking good. Malco Epic Revive, if I had to choose a favorite right now, that's my favorite. It goes on clear and it dries like you see it there. Nano Kotex Regen is another one like that. It's just a little on the pricier side, not too much more, but it's actually a ceramic. So yeah, there we have it with the black panel. Let's move over to the gray panel and see how things are holding up over there. So the torch method, again, I wouldn't recommend that because you can only do it a couple times before you really start to compromise the integrity. But if you look at Armor All Outlast, it's weak. We marked it weak at the 5-month mark. Everything else on the top row looks like it's pretty much done. Bottom, also, there we are again. Wipe New, Cerakote, that black stuff. Same 3 that were on the black panel are the same 3 right here, doing equally as well. That black stuff, it's more of a matte finish than a glossy finish, but it's been that way the whole time. Shine Supply, it didn't hold up too well on this panel. It was an early failure. Malco Epic Revive, there it is again, doing fantastic. Solution Finish we marked weak last month, and it is definitely still looking weak, not quite failed, pretty close. Nano Kotex Regen, also doing all right. No issues there. So there's your updates. Really the only change this month is we're marking Turtle Wax Trim weak on the black panel. That's really the only change, but there are some that are starting to look a little on the weak side. Here's your spreadsheet. This will also be in the link in the description under a Google Docs file. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We will see you soon. The next upload will be every other day at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time.